This is Kevin Huber reporting from the epicenter of the storm here. I've now realized, this is my third attempt at this, as to why meteorologists in a hurricane situation yell and scream, because I'm having a difficult time in this wind making a video. This souvenir shop is open, and I'm going to go in there a little later because I think there'll be only a few people or very little crowds and good selection. I'm going to show you the hotel. Here's the wind now. It's getting heavier. This is the third time I've made this video. If I have to make it again, I'm going to have to come up with a new strategy.